Gaining temporary access to a remote job site is difficult at best. Choosing the right construction mat is critical. Let's talk to the experts at Select Mat to learn more.
Construction mat has several uses, but it can really be summed up into three main things. One, it is used as a temporary road where the ground is unstable and can't safely maintain vehicles. Number two, it is used as a platform to protect the infrastructure underneath where people need to travel or conduct work. And three, it is used to help stabilize cranes when they're conducting big lifts. For instance, when they're lifting these concrete walls on these big manufacturing plants or warehouses, if a crane doesn't have stable ground, then it can create a catastrophic event by that crane tipping and the wall falling. It could put a spotter's life in risk and the crane operator's life in risk. On these job sites, they need to be able to safely get from one location to the other. A lot of times there's deadlines they need to hit. So when the ground is unstable with mud or thin sand, the mats allow them to travel faster and safer than what they could do on their own, keep them from tipping. It also can protect the infrastructure underneath. For instance, if heavy equipment is passing over a pipeline, it could create a rupture in that pipe, which could create an explosion, which can harm whoever's in the vehicle or others around. There are 5 common types of mats. You have a laminated mat, which is 3 layers of hardwood bolted on top of each other. You have the CLT mat, which is 3 layers of softwood glued to each other. Timber mats, which are 8 inches thick and used in muddier terrain, oftentimes going up or down hills. Crane mats, which are used for crane lifts and for air bridges. And composite mats, which are more flexible, dense polyethylene, which pin together.
Ensuring that each job is on time and on budget is at the core of what Select Mat does.
In any industry, size, scale, and process efficiencies will win out a lot of times in a lot of the big applications. At Select Mat, we are more customer-centric. We have a personal touch. We assign project managers to projects that really help find cost savings for our customers. The matting industry isn't a glorious industry, but it's a necessary industry. We give access so that the United States as a whole can put infrastructure in. Without the proper access roads being made and the proper safe access roads being done, the whole electrical industry and utility industry as well as pipeline industry can come to a screeching halt.
Offering safe solutions through superior products, innovative technology, and best practices.
Each job site does have specific needs. We work outside, we work in the elements, we're never in the same location. Environmental conditions change, customer demands change. Every single project is unique. Every single project needs that project manager to understand the terrain, understand the ground, understand what the customer's demands are, and then figure out the best way to overcome any of those obstacles and situations while at the same time trying to save the customer money. We don't subscribe to a one-size-mat-fits-all like some of the manufacturers suggest. What we look at is what is the application, what is the need, and then try to determine what the most cost-effective solution is for that customer.
We had a project a few years ago where our customer needed us to cross a pond on their right-of-way. With composite mats, if you stack enough high enough, they'll float and be able to hold an extraordinary amount of weight. So the guys got out there, stacked up the amount that they knew it would take, and after several hours of work, we were able to safely cross concrete trucks and 18-wheelers with full 48,000-pound loads. We're customer-centric. That is what ultimately makes us different from everyone else. If a customer needs something, we don't just say no, it's how can we make it happen? But at the same time, we take care of our guys. We're family first, and customers come right in there along with that, because our customers are our family. We get to know them, and we're gonna take care of them.
For more information, visit their website, selectmat.com. And of course, visit our website at insidetheblueprint.com.